Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. Today the third comparison video between the GoPro's Hero 6 and Hero 7. This time we have the firmware version 1.51 installed on the Hero 6. Let us see if we notice any difference in relation to what we have observed in the video with the firmware version 1.6. On that video the stabilization on the Hero 7 was better, but the gap between Hero 6 and Hero 7 was in my opinion smaller than when we used the firmware 2.01, where the stabilization was kind of messed up. After carefully inspecting the footage, I am honestly not able to tell that much of a difference between what I see in this video and the comparison where we had the firmware 1.6 on the Hero 6. You can find this other video on my channel also. We have the same situation here where the stabilization on the Hero 7 is superior but the stabilization on the Hero 6 is better than when using the firmware 2.01. So wrapping this last three videos, I would say that the correct baseline to compare the stabilization on the new Hero 7 with the one on the former Hero 6 is the firmware 1.6. There the stabilization was in my opinion better than with the firmware 2.01 and at least as good as in the version 1.5. I am not sure what problem GoPro solved on the Hero 6 with this update to the version 2.01, but they messed the stabilization. Tell me in the comments if you have some information regarding this. Despite what firmware you have installed in your GoPro Hero 6, the stabilization on the Hero 7 will be superior, due to the extra 1GB RAM that it has available and maybe also tweaked up settings on the GP1 chip. If this improvement in the stabilization is enough for you to trade a Hero 6 for a Hero 7 will depend on your personal needs.